Today is the history of Grand Old Man of India and also the official ambassador of India, Dadabhai Naoroji. He is an Indian political leader and one of the founders of the Indian National Congress. A leading nationalist, author and spokesman, he was the first Indian to be elected to membership in the British Parliament. He is born on 4th September 1825 in Mumbai to a prominent Parsi family. The economist in Dadabhai Naoroji allowed him to closely analyze what he called the drain of wealth from India by the British administration. He explained it through his book, Poverty and Un-British Rule. After a close study of the dynamics of exchange, Dadabhai Naoroji formulated 6 major postulates that justified how the British administration in India was plundering its wealth without our knowledge. He estimated a 200 to 300 million pounds loss of India's revenue to Britain that is not returned. Though Naoroji did give credit to the British for the services they introduced to India, such as the railways, he argued that most of the money earned by the railways was drained out of India. Hence, the money earned by railways did not belong to India. Moreover, these investments indirectly would further aid the British to mobilize their resources from the Indian subcontinent, further depriving the country. Similarly, the East India Company would buy Indian goods with the money drained from India and export them back to Britain. If British operated institutions were given to India, then India would be able to self-govern and the revenue earned would remain in India. Naoroji believed that to stop the drain, India needed to develop industries so that revenue could be kept within the country. His explanation was very important for the nationalist movement as it brought out into the light the actual picture of the process carried out by the colonial administration in the name of free trade. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.